Welcome to Grammar for Kids. Today we are going to visit Contraction Carnival. Contractions are like fun word combinations. We bring two words together and use an apostrophe to replace missing letters. Contractions make our language sound friendly and conversational. Let's enjoy the Contractions Carnival. To enhance understanding, consider these examples. Example number 1. I'm going to the store. Example number 2. You are. You're welcome to join us. Example number 3. He is. He's coming to the party. Example number 4. She is. She's an excellent singer. Example number 5. We are. We're excited about the trip. Example number 6. They are. They are working on a project together. Example number 7. Do not. Don't forget your keys. Example number 8. Cannot. Can't. I can't believe it happened. And there you go. You have visited the Contractions Carnival. Keep watching for more grammar fun lessons.